So this is Angelica, my mom. She comes from Puerto Rico, and every year we decide to go ahead and make some coquito. Sometimes things get carried away. But she's the professional at making this stuff, so this is what the make video is going to be this time. So here's to coquito. Let's see how it goes.
Good.
All right, so this is pretty much a tradition here. Angelica comes from Puerto Rico and makes us coquito, right? Am I pronouncing it proper? And how long have you been making this?
Your whole life.
Your whole life?
Yeah, maybe.
All right. So what's the ingredients?
It's coconut, evaporated milk, and condensed milk, and cinnamon.
And the important part.
And rum.
And the rum.
Puerto Rican rum.
The Puerto Rican rum. All right, let's go ahead and mix it together then.
So 2 cans of coconut milk.
So 2 cans of coconut milk. This is the brand we went with. It's a Kroger brand. You okay over there, Dad? Quiet on the set, Dad. And now what's next?
We're gonna mix it when we have all of this together, the milk and the coconut and that. Just mix it all. That's it.
And what type of milk we got?
Evaporated milk.
Evaporated milk. Yeah.
Again, the Kroger brand's what we went with.
Yeah.
It's our local supermarket.
Yeah.
Just 1 can of that.
1 can of coconut.
And now this is what?
This is the evaporated milk.
Okay, so 1 can of
condensed milk.
condensed milk. So we're looking at 2 premium coconut milk, evaporated milk, 1 can, and 1 can of condensed milk.
Condensed milk, yeah.
So far.
And now some vanilla.
Oh, some vanilla. Oh, hasn't even been opened yet. Oh, snap.
Cinnamon.
Cinnamon.
Yes.
Show the cinnamon.
This is the good stuff.
Okay, that's also the Kroger brand. I'm sensing a theme here.
Okay.
We are not affiliated with Kroger.
No, maybe we will be after this.
How much of that? You're not measuring?
Don't measure.
I don't
There's
measure
no
it.
measure.
Check out the video. They look about 4 or 5
I
squirts
would
to
say
me.
It looks like a teaspoon.
Yes, and now it's just mix it.
vanilla?
Yeah, the vanilla is like
What
a
about the
teaspoon
rum?
too.
You want a spoon?
So who taught you how to make this?
Oh, this is I don't know, my family. That's wrong in Puerto Rico. They make it all the time for Christmas.
Yeah. Your mom used to make it?
Yeah, my mom, all the family, you know, all the people there now make
Just
it. They
like
make
here.
it different flavors.
Does anybody do anything different?
Now.
Yeah, they make it different flavors now in Puerto Rico.
Like what types of flavors?
Like pistachio, like they add different stuff here.
Nice.
Okay,
Okay,
we're gonna
Brenda.
get loud.
All right. All right. Now, how are we not measuring this either?
The old-fashioned way.
Yeah. Oh, we're using a can. So what is it? What is that? The
That's like a
can I
half a
see
cup.
the?
Like a half a cup.
Oh, so there's the condensed. I don't have my glasses on. Those are good letters.
You think so?
I think we need more, right?
A little bit.
Another half
At least a cup of rum.
another half a cup.
A cup of rum.
Yeah, you make that to taste. Okay, now we can try it.
Now we try it.
Yeah, it's easy to make, Ruben.
That's it.
Okay. Angelica gets
Some
to try
people add
first.
eggs, but I don't like to add eggs.
Oh, because it's like an eggnog.
Yeah.
It's like an eggnog.
No,
It's like
yeah,
Puerto
no,
Rican
but they
eggnog.
used to buy the yellow from the eggs. They like to use it, but I don't like to
Okay,
do
see if
that.
there's enough rum and cinnamon.
Need more rum.
Needs more rum.
I want to be the judge of this.
No, need more rum.
It definitely needs more rum.
It's
A little
sweet.
cinnamon too?
Yes. Need more
That's
rum.
good. That's creamy. I like it. I like it like that. But I know that it needs more rum.
It needs
Yeah.
more rum.
I'm not big on alcohol, so I know it. If I like it, it can't be right.
But you know what? The rum is running on me already.
A little bit of rum for you. So
No,
I
no,
say
it's running on me.
it's rumming on you. I'm gonna say another half a cup.
Okay.
So what are we looking at now? Maybe a cup and a
A
half?
cup and a half of rum.
Oh my God.
And depending on your taste of alcohol, you might need 3 cups, I think.
Yes.
All right, let's try again. It's good? No more rum?
Now it is really good, Ruben. You think need more
Okay.
That's
rum?
good.
Let me
No,
try it. This will be my reaction. I don't like a whole lot of alcohol, so we'll know
good.
right
It's
here.
your kind of
We'll
thing.
know if it's right if I'm not.
You're gonna like it, Ruben.
It still tastes really good. So.
Yeah.
I'm not
Let
big
your
on
dad
alcohol,
try it.
but yeah, that tastes really good. We're using the community cup too, by the way.
We're
The,
fair. We do community. You not saving them for your dad?
Yeah, that's good.
You saving some for your dad?
Yeah, go ahead, take it
No,
over.
that you like. You like it, Ruben?
Yeah, it's delicious. I normally don't drink it, but I'm gonna open my mind to it this year.
Yeah, but you know, it's easy to make. You know, the thing is, I don't use him to.
If
do
you
that.
don't drink it, it's okay because it's more for the rest of us.
Apparently, we used 2 coconut milks. One, what's this? I can't see it.
Evaporated
And
milk.
one evaporated milk and one condensed milk.
Yep.
And we poured the rum into the condensed milk container about 1.5 times. So, and how much vanilla would you guess?
I
Maybe
would
like a
guess
spoon,
like
2.5
2.5 teaspoons.
Yeah.
All right, so 2.5 teaspoons of this. And we already talked about the rum. And about
The cinnamon to
I would
taste.
say 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of this. So,
But I would also say 2 full cups of rum.
yeah,
It
probably
would be
more,
really
yeah.
good.
Yeah, because I noticed it wasn't really strong, so
Right.
I really enjoyed it and stuff like that. So
I think authentic, more rum.
yeah, probably a little bit more rum.
We're
than
just
her.
lightweight.
So now what do? Do you refrigerate this? Now what's the next
Yeah, you
step?
put it in the fridge and that's it.
All right, so that's the next step.
Yeah, she put it
Refrigerate.
in the bottle. You have the bottle?
Yeah, I have a bottle. I'm gonna
Yeah, and
put
put it in the fridge. That's it.
All right.
It's
Not the
best
freezer, the
served
fridge.
cold. Best served cold.